is your pancake stack, Dave. Here is your BLT and pea soup, Dave. Here is your spinach and ricotta cannelloni, Dave.
Tired of the same old highly nutritious and flavoursome Grub's Up food pill for breakfast, lunch and dinner? Chillax, Dave, and try Honey's new home health app, Grub's Up, Grub's Out Real Meals. With Honey's new Grub's Up, Grub's Out Real Meals upgrade, your Grub's Up processor produces actual real synthetic food. That's right, Dave, real synthetic food. 3-bean chili, Grub's Up, Swede, Grub's Up, Grub's Up, pear and avocado frangipan, Grub's Up, Grub's Up, Grub's Up.
Wow, amazing.
You said it, Dave. Aren't Monolith great? Honey's new Grub's Up, Grub's Out Real Meals upgrade, putting the ooh back in food. Only $999.99 monos. A Monolith company. Honey and Grub's Up, Grub's Out Real Meals are registered trademarks. May cause permanent damage to skeletal and nervous systems. May cause psychosis and or minor hallucinations. Always read the small print. Synthetic food bears no relation to real food. Contents may be hot. May contain traces of nuts and nuts. Coming soon for Honey Home Hub, new Grub's Up, Grub's Out Real Meals, Real Feels upgrade. Prepare your real synthetic food the old-fashioned way with real synthetic kitchen utensils like a spatula, a lemon juicer, a knife.